Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you view a private Facebook account without following them? And the answer is no. There is no way to view a private Facebook account without following them. There are a couple things that you can do to try and see their posts, like creating a new account and following them on that one, or just following them on your main account. But there is no way to see their posts without following them. It's private for a reason, and Facebook is a very big company. They won't make it easy to view it without following them. You would have to be an actual hacker or something like that to follow them. As you can see on this account, Paul Bors, it's private. And if I go to it, there's no way to view any of the posts without following them or adding them as a friend. So this person might have posts, but I can't see anything at all. So even if I tried to add him, he still has to accept it. And I won't be able to see any of his posts until he accepts my friend request. So there is no way to view posts on a private Facebook account without following them. So don't waste your time trying to find a way to do it, because there's no way. Everybody that says there is just lying to you and are trying to take your information or something like that. So just don't waste your time trying to find it. There is no way to view private Facebook accounts without following them. So I hope this video was helpful and answered your question. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.